Welcome to the class. We have been discussing about question tags in the previous classes. Today we are going to discuss about the last kind of sentence, which is sentences beginning with the indefinite pronouns. Let us discuss what is a pronoun. A word that comes in place of a noun is called a pronoun. In place of a noun or otherwise instead of a noun is called a pronoun. A word that is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Then what are called indefinite pronouns? Indefinite pronouns are those words where we do not know exactly who is the subject. Somebody has taken my pen. Somebody has taken my pen. Then that somebody, anyone in my country or anyone around me, anyone in the world can comment. I am not sure about who is that person. So in that case, I am using indefinite. Definite means sure. Indefinite means not sure. It means we are not sure about the person. In these cases, we use some kind of pronouns. When we do not know exactly who has taken or who has done, in those cases, we use some pronouns. We have taken some of the pronouns for our discussion. Indefinite means we are not sure about, and pronoun means a word that comes in place of a noun. Now let us look into some of the indefinite pronouns. Someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything, everyone, everybody, everything. And these are all positive pronouns, and we have some negative pronouns as well. Those are no one, nobody, nothing, neither, none. These are the negative pronouns. So you have to remember that when the pronoun is positive, the tag can be positive as well as negative. It depends on the structure of the sentence. If the sentence is positive, you will have to take a negative tag. If the sentence is negative, you will have to take a positive tag. But in these cases, no one, nobody, nothing, neither, none. In these cases, we cannot take a negative tag because these words are negatives. These are negatives, therefore we must always use a positive tag. So, these may take positive as well as negative tag. It depends on the sentence. If the positive sentence, it may take negative tag. If the sentence is negative, it may take positive. But in these cases, no one, nobody, nothing, neither, none. For these words, we must always take the positive tag. And now let us, indefinite pronoun. When we use any of these indefinite pronouns as any of this as the subject of the sentence, there what must be the subject? In the question tag, you must always remember, you must never forget that our question tag should be they. In the question tag, we must always use the pronoun they. So, they, see. In all the examples we have taken they, which tells us that you must always take the subject they in the question tag. Let us look into some of the examples to make this very clear. Nobody. Nobody is a negative word. We have already discussed it. Nobody was helping me. Nobody was helping me. Was. Even though it is singular, nobody is also singular. Even though the subject is singular and even the verb is singular, yet we have made the question tag with the verb they. Why verb positive? Because nobody is negative. Negative sentences must have positive tag. And they. For all the sentences with indefinite pronouns, we will have to use they as the subject. Always remember. Second, somebody has stolen my pen. Somebody means any person. That is always singular. Has. Therefore, we have used the verb has. Somebody is positive, has singular. But our question tag, see how we have made it. Having they. Negative, plural verb, negative tag. Now, everybody is doubted these days. Everybody is doubted these days. Everybody, positive, is singular. But our tag is aren't they. They is the subject. No one knows. No one negative. Knows when he will arrive. Knows. Do plus know. Does. Do plus no, does plus no. Here does plus no because no one is taken as singular. But we cannot use this does. Therefore, we are using do because in these kind of sentences, we cannot use the singular form. Therefore, we are using do they because we always have to use the plural subject. Neither of the blames is true because they have accused or blamed. So two of the blames were there, either this one or that one. Neither of the blames. We have two blames and neither, not even one. That is true. So as it is giving 1 out of 2, so we have the verb is. But this sentence is negative because it is neither. Neither is. So we have converted this is into are, and for neither we have used they. It is a positive tag because the sentence is negative. And in the last example we are discussing everything is arranged well. Everything positive is singular. Yet we have the question tag aren't they. So you just go through all these examples and this discussion. With this we are winding up the question tags as well as our lesson 1 sentences. In this classes, we have used many classes for the discussion of lesson 1 sentences. We have discussed about the definitions, exclamatory sentences and the conversion of the sentences and the question tags. If you have any doubt, don't forget to ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.